Nobel Prize Facts by Asper Competitions. Nobel Prize, named after the Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel. Alfred Bernhard Nobel held 355 patents by his name, dynamite being his most famous invention. Nitroglycerin is used in dynamite. On November 27, 1895, Alfred Nobel signed his last will and testament, giving the largest share of his fortune to a series of prizes in physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and peace, which are called the Nobel Prizes. Who selects Nobel laureates? In his last testament, Alfred Nobel specifically designated the institutions responsible for the prizes he wished to establish. Nobel Prizes are commenced in the year 1901 for all the fields except for economics, which is commenced in the year 1969. Who selects Nobel laureates? The Royal Swedish Academy for Science selects the Nobel laureates in physics and chemistry. Karolinska Institute selects laureates in physiology or medicine. Swedish Academy for Nobel Prizes selects laureates in literature. And a committee of persons to be elected by the Norwegian Parliament selects laureates for peace. In 1968, the Sveriges Riksbank established the Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences, and Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences selects laureates for economics starting from the year 1969. Each recipient receives a gold medal, a diploma, and a sum of money which depends on income in the previous year of Nobel foundations. The awards are presented in Stockholm, which is the capital of Sweden, in an annual ceremony on 10th December, the anniversary of Nobel's death. The award can be given to maximum 3 persons in the same field at the same time. The Peace Prize is the only prize that is not presented in Stockholm. This prize is presented annually in Oslo, in the presence of the King of Norway on 10th December, the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel. Oslo is the capital of Norway. Till now, 597 Nobel Prizes were given between 1901 and 2019 to 950 laureates. Among 950 laureates, 54 are women. Nobel Prizes which are given in all the fields. Total 597 given to 950 laureates. In physics, there are 113 prizes were given till now to 213 number of laureates. In those, 47 are given to 1 laureate, shared by 2 are 32 and shared by 3 are 34. The same way, in chemistry, 111 number of prizes are given till now. In medicine, 110 number of prizes, literature 1112 and peace 100. Among those, 107 are individuals and 27 are institutions. Economic sciences, 51 prizes are given till now. Nobel Prize winners in 2019. Nobel Prize in Physics. James Peeble of Canada for theoretical discoveries in physical cosmology. Michael Mayer and Didier Queloz of Switzerland for the discovery of an exoplanet orbiting a solar type star, shared by 3 people. Nobel Prize in Chemistry. John B. Goodenough, Germany. M. Stanley Whittingham, United Kingdom. Akira Yoshino, Japan, for the development of lithium-ion batteries. Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. William G. Kaelin Jr., Sir Peter J. Ratcliffe, United Kingdom. Greg L. Semenza, USA, for the discoveries of how cells sense and adapt to oxygen availability. Nobel Prize in Literature. Peter Handke of Austria, for an influential work that with linguistic ingenuity has explored the periphery and the specificity of human experience. Nobel Peace Prize. Abiy Ahmed Ali of Ethiopia. He is the Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, for his efforts to achieve peace and internal cooperation, and in particular for his decisive initiative to resolve the border conflict with neighboring Eritrea. The Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences. Abhijit Banerjee, India. Esther Duflo, France. Michael Kramer, USA, for their experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. Some Nobel Prizes facts. Youngest Nobel Prize winner, Malala Yousafzai of Pakistan, Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 at the age of 17 years. Oldest Nobel Prize winner, John B. Goodenough of America, Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2019 at the age of 97 years. First Nobel Prize winner in Physics, Wilhelm Röntgen of Germany in 1901 for the discovery of X-rays. Chemistry, Jacobus Henricus van 't Hoff of Netherlands in 1901 for the discovery of laws of chemical dynamics and osmotic pressure in solutions. Physiology or Medicine, Emil Adolf von Behring of Germany in 1901 for the discovery of serum therapy in the development of the diphtheria and tetanus vaccines. Literature, Sully Prudhomme of France in 1901, special recognition of his poetic composition. Peace, Henry Junot of Switzerland is the founder of Red Cross. Frederic Passy of France, founder and president of First French Peace Society. Both got the first Nobel Prize in Peace in 1901. First Nobel Prize in Economics, Ragnar Frisch of Norway, Jan Timbergen, Netherlands, in 1969, developed and applied dynamic models for the analysis of economic processes. First Nobel Prize winner, woman, Marie Sklodowska-Curie of Poland in 1903 in physics, shared with her husband Pierre Curie and Henry Becquerel. Nobel Prize winner twice in women, again Marie Sklodowska-Curie of Poland in 1903 in physics and in 1911 chemistry, which is unshared. Nobel Prize winner individually twice, Dr. Linus Carl Pauling of America in 1954 in chemistry and in 1962 in peace. Nobel Prize winner twice in physics. John Bardeen of America in 1956 for invention of transistor and in 1972 for theory of superconductivity. Nobel Prize winner twice in chemistry. Frederick Sanger of Britain in 1958 determining structure of insulin and in 1980 base structure of DNA. Nobel Prize winner thrice in peace. International Committee of Red Cross in 1917, 1944 and in 1963. The headquarters is located at Geneva, Switzerland. Nobel Prize winner twice in peace. United Nations High Commission for Refugees in 1954 and in 1981. Headquarters located at Geneva, Switzerland. Youngest Nobel Prize winners in all fields. In physics, William Lawrence Bragg, awarded in 1915 at the age of 25. Chemistry, Frederick Joliot, awarded in 1935 at the age of 35. Physiology or medicine, Frederick Banting, awarded in the year 1923 at the age of 32. Literature, Rudyard Kipling, awarded in the year 1907 at the age of 41. Peace, Malala Yousafzai, awarded in the year 2014 at the age of 17 years. Economic Sciences, Esther Duflo, awarded in the year 2019 at the age of 46. Oldest Nobel Prize laureates in all fields. In physics, Arthur Ashkin, awarded in the year 2018 at the age of 96 years. Chemistry, John B. Goodenough, awarded in the year 2019 at the age of 97 years. Physiology or medicine, Peyton Rose, awarded in the year 1966 at the age of 87 years. Literature, Doris Lessing, awarded in the year 2007 at the age of 88 years. Peace, Joseph Rod Black, awarded in the year 1995 at the age of 87 years. Economic Sciences, Leonid Hurwitz, awarded in the year 2007 at the age of 90 years. Indian Nobel Prize laureates, Rabindranath Tagore for literature in the year 1913. Sir C.V. Raman, awarded in the field physics in the year 1930. Hargobind Khurana, physiology or medicine in the year 1968. Mother Teresa for peace in 1979. Subramanya Chandrasekhar in physics in 1983. Amartya Sen in economics in 1998. V.S. Naipal, literature in the year 2001. Venkatraman Krishnan, chemistry in the year 2009. Kailash Satyarthi, peace 2014, which is shared by Malala Yousafzai of Pakistan also. Abhijit Banerjee, economics in the year 2019. Indians who failed to bag Nobel Prize. Indian poet Sri Aurobindo was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1943 and 1950 but failed to bag the Nobel Prize. Mahatma Gandhi was also considered for the Peace Prize 5 times in the years 1937, 38, 39, 47 and 48, the days before his assassination, but he has also failed to bag Nobel Prize. Laureates who declined the Nobel Prize. Jean-Paul Sartre, awarded in 1964 the Nobel Prize in Literature. He declined all the prizes because he had consistently declined all the official honors. Lee Duc-Tho, awarded the 1973 Nobel Peace Prize jointly with US Secretary of State Henry Kissinger. They were awarded the prize for negotiating the Vietnam Peace Accord Lee Duk-to said that he was not in a position to accept the Nobel Peace Prize, citing the situation in Vietnam as his reason. Laureates who were forced to decline the Nobel Prize. 4 Nobel laureates have been forced by authorities to decline the Nobel Prize. Adolf Hitler forbade 3 German Nobel laureates, Richard Kohn, Adolf Butenandt, Gerhard Domark, for accepting the Nobel Prize. Richard Kohn won Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1938. Adolf Butenandt won Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1939. Gerhard Domark won Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1939. The 4th person is Boris Pasternak, the 1958 Nobel laureate in literature. Initially accepted the Nobel Prize but was later coerced by the authorities of the Soviet Union, his native country, to decline the Nobel Prize. Nobel laureates under arrest at the time of award. 3 Nobel laureates were under arrest at the time of the award of Nobel Prize. All of them are Nobel Peace Prize laureates. Karl von Ossietzky, German pacifist and journalist, won Nobel Prize in Peace in the year 1935. Aung San Suu Kyi, Burmese politician and State Councillor of Myanmar, won Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1991. Liu Xiaobo, Chinese human rights activist, won Nobel Prize in Peace in the year 2010. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe as per competitions. Thank you for watching.